Today here at SuperPro we're talking about more control arms that we're adding to our range, ever increasing range. The vehicles we're talking about today, Mitsubishi Lancer 2007 on, Mitsubishi Outlander 2010 on, Mitsubishi ASX 2010 on, and the 4000 series Citroen 2010 on, and the Peugeot 4000 series 2010 on. All these vehicles are reaching end of their service life, and a good quality service replacement is a SuperPro bushing in a SuperPro control arm as a complete solution. The features on these control arms are high quality SuperPro bushings, replacement ball joints as a complete arm replacement solutions. There's a couple of extra features in this set of control arms. First and foremost, they incorporate our vertical pivoting control arm bushings, which incorporates the unique feature of a convex inner surface. What happens there, as the car travels up and down the arm, up and down the road, there is freedom in the movement. No increase in noise, vibration, harshness with this service replacement upgrade. Why fit control arms? We're finding these components, whether it's the ball joint or whether it's the bushings, at the end of their service life, they need replacement. So do a service upgrade or a service enhancement with this product. And another unique feature which is added to this range is a Pacific arm for the Ralliart Lancer, the Mitsubishi Ralliart Lancer, which is a performance version. This particular arm comes with the offset vertical pivoting bush for an increase in caster, better handling, better tyre control, and an improvement in wheel alignment.